Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Lex Money. I can't stop being bullish today, guys. I'm going to take you through exactly why I'm so bullish, why the short-term noise in the price action of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and our alts, it just can't affect me now. It's like I've got a bulletproof mind, and then you guys can let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Now, guys, look, I actually did draw this earlier, but I couldn't get the video out in time. But I wanted to show you guys that there's a fair value gap right here that needed to be filled for Bitcoin. So we actually did have the wick out of this price action, but we didn't fill it properly. And usually these things do like to be filled as like a full candle. So the wick wasn't convincing me that this was going to be like the end of a downtrend, right? So I think probably today and tomorrow are going to be another couple red days. Doesn't really matter. I'll be anticipating some sort of move to like 62k. On top of this, guys, we've got another fair value gap for ETH to be filled. And like we said, we've got our ETF going live next week, Tuesday. Okay, so I am expecting some downwards price action in this time. But I thought you just said you were bullish. I am super bullish, guys. And that is because you come to CoinMarketCap and we've got short-term memory loss in crypto, it seems. We're at 64k, nearly 65k, guys. This is nearly the prior all-time high of last cycle. But we've become pretty used to it, guys. You scroll down a little bit and you're going to see that a lot of our top altcoins are at sensational buy prices, guys. Okay, ICP being on that list. But you go down and pretty much everything on this list is super undervalued right now. And it's going to be marked up in the coming months, okay? So I'm super bullish because while Bitcoin is hovering around our previous all-time high, while ETH is hovering around near where its all-time high was, our alts still have a very long way to go, guys. They've still got a lot of catching up to do, meaning we've got a little bit of time to be accumulating as many alts as we can. Now, to all of you guys who are on the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and you could do 4-hour chart, but anything up to like the 4-hour chart, really, just get off the 15-minute chart, guys. Get off the 30-minute chart, because look, people are starting to say, oh my god, Bitcoin is breaking down. Scared face, scared emoji. Shut up, mate. Listen, we've been in an uptrend for over a year. Well, basically a year now, guys. And yes, we're breaking down on the 30-minute chart, but we're still at 63k. Okay, people like this who post these fear baits on Twitter, forget that we were at 50 whatever k it was last week. All you've got to do is zoom out a little bit and see how far we actually have come. Now, when it comes to these golden crosses, guys, look, you guys really know the golden crosses just means that price has been moving up and the averages are starting to cross. This is a lagging indicator. However, when it does cross, there usually is a good period of uptrend coming after that golden cross, as well, as we are already in the uptrend. So when people say, right, we've just had a golden cross, long it now, that doesn't mean long it now. It means you probably should have started longing it down here when it started to reverse. But overall, it is a good bullish signal, and it reminds us that we are in a bullish uptrend. And for everybody who just thinks, I can't do this, I don't want to look at the chart every single day, a good way to be doing it is just buying 500 days before the halving, holding on 500 days after the halving, and then selling, rinse and repeat. Now, obviously, history doesn't always, what's the word? Doesn't always, oh God, guys, I'm tired today. I just went to the gym. History rhymes. You know what I'm trying to say. Leave the saying in the comments, please. But look, guys, I mean, 500 days. Some people can't hold on for 1,000 days. Literally, this guy says it here. It's not easy to hold on for 1,000 days, but it is definitely worth it, because that's nearly 3 years, guys. It's over 2 years. So if you can endure like 2 to 3 years of just holding and buying the dip and buying undervalued projects, that's going to be why you make it. And it's also why so many people don't make it, because they can't endure the time frame. They want to be here for this and this and this and this, right? They want to be there for all of these just straight up times. And really, the money is made by accumulating all the way along here and then enjoying this last phase, which is usually the alt season. But it's why so many people don't make money. And just to go a bit more into that, guys, I mean, look, you've got the Bitcoin halving, the boring zone, and then the banana zone. We are halfway through the boring zone. We're actually probably near closest, like 75% through the boring zone. And come into August, September, October, November, into next year, this could be the start of where we get the gains that we've been looking for. And all of you guys who are watching the video right now, everybody who's been buying back then, buying back here, oh, you're going to be as strong as my biceps. Now, guys, how high do you think Bitcoin is going to go? I do think there are going to be some crazy price predictions once we do start to tap up to that like 85k and beyond, guys. People are going to start to flip and say 250, 300, 350. We on this channel will be DCAing out not only at key prices but at key time frames as well, guys. So you need to take into account a bunch of different factors. And again, if you need help with that, then you can go and check out the members club, guys. It's like 25 quid a month, and then you can also get some of the trades and just one-to-one time with Lex Money as well. But it is fantastic to see adoption. Okay, it is good to see companies like Grayscale actually developing a decentralized AI fund now, and you've got Near, Render, Filecoin, LPT, and Tau in that list as well, which is amazing. It's bringing a lot more heads to the AI sector of crypto. Remember, that is like still a very, very tiny market share. I mean, what's the market cap of AI? You're looking at like a $29 billion market cap, $30 billion market cap. Some in the other AI sectors are not included in here, so let's just call it like a $35 billion market cap, guys. We have got so much money to be coming into the AI sector, and like we said, ICP is in the decentralized sector of AI, even though it's not showing on CoinMarketCap. Imagine when Grayscale start to get a bit clued up to ICP. Could ICP be in one of their funds? Now, speaking of ICP, guys, we love ICP. We were double digis yesterday. We've come down to single digis. Not to worry, guys. I want to remind you of what we were talking about in previous videos, right? I told you guys in this, I kept showing you this chart because I wanted to show you the power of the multipliers when you do DCA lower rather than trying to chase days like yesterday, right? So these two were two prices that I made previous videos on. I said, look, this is the multiplier we're going to get from here to our 150 target. Now, the first one was at like $6 something, and that was going to be a 23x. The second one was going to be around $8. Was it $8? Yeah, it was about $8.60. And that was going to give you like, I think it was a 17x at the time. So maybe I've got this a little bit out. But it was around a 17x to $150, guys. Now, today's price at $9.68, but we'll call it 58. You're looking now at a 14x. So you're losing multipliers, guys. You've lost like 700% there. Just for waiting and not buying when it was time to buy. You've lost 700%, guys. Okay, that could mean a lot depending on how much you've got in your portfolio. And it's still not time to wait, because look, ICP is broken out of the falling wedge. There are so many charts that are looking like this, guys, and they're prime for breakouts. They're having their retest. As long as this isn't like a bull trap, we're going to be hitting like the all-time high and then $30 before you know it. Once Bitcoin does start to pick up, go back to the all-time high and enter price discovery. Guys, all of these top coins are going to follow with it. Do I know when that's going to happen? No. Do I know how long it's going to take? No. But I can be pretty certain that this will happen in the near future. And the near future means in the next 6 to 8 months, guys. So look, we're over halfway through the year. If you haven't packed your bags up already, I mean, buying this breakout wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. If we do re-enter back into this breakout zone, you guys got just super lucky and you can buy even more. But $9.63 is very near to our buy zone. I think it was $9.51. Yeah, look, we actually wicked off our $9.51, guys. And like we said in yesterday's video, we were looking to find some resistance at the blessing zone and then maybe coming back down again. And we said, if we do hit any of these, we're going to enter it automatically. It looks like we've entered it automatically today. I'm pretty sure that hit $9.51. But for now, we're finding some resistance at around that $10 to $11. Once we do come into the $11, we're looking between $11 and $13. But we're going to hope and we're going to pray and we're going to have our fingers crossed that all of you guys who didn't get a chance to be getting some of these lower prices, if it does come over the coming weeks, guys, you just take action and you remember how you felt when you had to endure this move here of over 100% and you're trying to chase and catch the pumps. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. So that is it, guys. I am off. I hope that all of you guys have a lovely evening. We're going to go and see how the ETF does play out next week. So remember, keep some cash to the side. Don't be overexposed into the market. And guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.